I'm a Tamil guy, right? I know only few words in Telugu. I can't speak Telugu. I know few words. Just keep playing something. You know what are the words? Bagunnara, ekkada unnaru, meeru tinnara, Hyderabadi biryani. Only these are the words I know. But if a Tamil guy can sing Telugu song, Telugu people can sing Tamil song. Can I teach you a word? Is that okay? Okay. Wherever INA came, just put this. Avare. Shout Avare. At the back, I'm not hearing you. Avare. Yes. Very simple, okay? Avare. Ennai endrum kaanbavar. Ennai endrum nadathuvar. Ennodu irupavar. For Lord's Church, no need to teach worship. You guys are already pros. Wow, what an energy, what a thirst from the crowd. Wow. Shall we do it? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Avare.